Did you know that AI-powered tools can boost your productivity by up to 40%? Yet, most people don't even know how to make full use of them. Today, I'll show you how to use Cited AI, a powerful AI assistant that can revolutionize the way you browse, research, and create content. Stick around till the end because I'll also share some advanced tips that can make your work super efficient. Before you dive into the tutorial, let's quickly understand what Cited AI is. It's an AI powered sidebar that works seamlessly with your browser, providing instant AI generated assistance, including summarizing articles, explaining concept, and even writing content for you. Whether you are a student, a researcher, or a content creator, this tool can save you hours of work. Now, let's start with the basics. Open your preferred web browser and type Cited AI in the search bar. Click on the first result that you get. Here, you'll find an option saying Add to Chrome. Click on that. Now add Cited AI to your Chrome as an extension. After adding the extension, you'll find two options that you can use to sign up. You can continue with Google or your Apple ID. Here I am using my Google. Now select your preferred Google account and you have your access to Cited AI. Now that we have Cited AI installed, let's explore its features step by step. First, for AI chat assistance, click on the Cited AI icon and open it. Now you can ask anything or ask it to explain any concept in simple terms. And you will get a clear answer like this. You can do web page summarization. Suppose we have this web page, copy the link and open the sidebar icon. Now, when you click on the Ask section, you will find that your link is already pasted there with an summarization option. Click on that and your content will be summarized in no time. Now, here are some pro tips to get the most out of Cited AI. You can use the custom prompts to save frequently used prompts for faster responses. Cited AI also has multilingual capabilities that supports multiple languages. By using that, you can access around the globe. And that's it. Now you know how to use Cited AI step by step. Whether you want to speed up research, improve writing, or simply save time, this tool will be your game changer. If you like our video and find it helpful, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.